Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HTC U24 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do it, open your calendar application. In first step, we must tap on day when we want to add our event, but we can change view for a month. And now tap on maybe 20 December. There is plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can set about what is it and add it to group about what, maybe our family, work and something like that. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set by switch on it will be all the event. Repeat of our event, maybe every month, every year, what you prefer. And there we can add this event to people calendar. Now we can make video conference when events start, add location of that if we need it, and add notification to our event. There we can change color about our notification to this event, and the last thing, we can add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and that's all. We have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.